Hi everybody, this is Murat and welcome to my channel. If you have a PS4 and TV monitor or PC monitor, and if you want to use or play your PS4 on VGA port, unfortunately you will have a problem. But don't worry, because I'm gonna show you how you can fix this problem in this video. Okay, let's begin. It's a HDMI to VGA converter that you will need. Actually, it works smoothly on my PC, but unfortunately it doesn't work on the PS4 system because of low VDD voltage. As you can see, my converter has not an external power supply. If your converter has not an external power supply as mine, follow the steps in this video to add one on yours. Why will we add an external power supply on a converter? Let me try to describe you. A PS4 system doesn't provide just 5 volts on its HDMI port. That's why a HDMI to VGA converter is not going to work to not take 5 volts from a PS4 system, and you are going to see black screen on your TV or PC monitor. Due to this, we are going to add an external power supply using a former USB cable or phone charger. We are going to use an old USB cable, as you can see, and I'm gonna show you. This red cable is positive and black cable is negative, and we should cut other cables, white and green. And I'm gonna show you the board. We need to find through component which is power supply. As you can see, it's a power supply component on the board. We will follow the path where it's going. Okay, yes, this here. And then we will solder the red cable instead of purple cable. Okay, finally, if you have completed all processing successfully, you can see like this. And don't forget, you need only an external power supply for your HDMI to VGA converter. If you confused, you can type comment under the video. See you later. Bye bye.